LG just unleashed a beast. The 45-inch 4K class ultra-wide OLED 45GX950A is here, and it's about to redefine gaming. Wanna know why? Stick with us. Welcome to GadInsider, where we dive into the hottest tech launches. Today we're breaking down LG's jaw-dropping 45GX950A Ultrawide OLED monitor. Let's get into it. Launched today, LG's 45GX950A is a 45-inch 4K class OLED monster with a 240Hz refresh rate and an insane 800R curve. This isn't just a monitor, it's a portal to gaming nirvana. Ready to see what makes it so special? LG's stepping up big time. Unlike older 45-inch OLEDs with blurry 3440 by 1440 resolutions, the 45GX950A rocks a 5K 2K 5120 by 2160 panel, 33% more pixels than 4K. That means razor-sharp visuals for gaming, movies, and even work. With 125 ppi, text is crisp and colors pop thanks to the WOLED panel. That 800R curve, it's like VR without the headset, pulling you into the action. Certified flicker-free and low blue light, it keeps your eyes comfy during marathon sessions. Plus, with a 0.03 ms response time and 240Hz refresh rate, motion is buttery smooth, perfect for fast-paced shooters like Doom Eternal. The 45GX950A is loaded. HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 2.1 for max 240Hz glory, USB-C with 90-watt power delivery, and dual 10-watt speakers with deep bass. Need immersion? Plug in headphones for DTS Headphone X 3D audio. Your enemies won't know what hit them. Gamers, listen up. Dual mode lets you switch between 5K 2K at 165Hz for cinematic vibes or 2K at 330Hz for competitive edge. And for productivity, the 21:9 aspect ratio lets you juggle multiple windows like a pro. Chrome, Slack, and Photoshop all at once. Here's the kicker. At $2,000, it's pricey. Twice a 32-inch 4K OLED, but for the world's first 5K 2K ultrawide OLED, that immersive curve, and LG's 2-year warranty, it's a premium worth considering. Posonics are buzzing, calling it the ultimate OLED ultrawide. Want to see it in action? LG's showing it off at CES 2025. That's the lowdown on LG's 45GX950A. If you're hyped for this monitor, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech drops.